That yellow-handled premium pump you reach for every time? According to AAA's fuel quality testing, gasoline that only meets the minimum EPA detergent standard can leave up to 19 times more carbon deposits than top-tier certified fuel. Let me say that again. 19 times more carbon buildup. Same octane number on the sticker. Often a higher price, yet potentially far worse for your engine over the long run. Over the years, I've seen engines with heavy carbon deposits despite owners believing they were buying the good stuff. The surprising part? Many of them made the exact same mistake every time they filled up. By the end of this video, you'll know which 6 gas station brands consistently invest in fuel quality, which 5 fall short, and the simple fuel quality decision that could help you avoid an expensive carbon cleaning service down the road. Subscribe now, because every week we break down the facts behind car maintenance, fuel quality, and the automotive myths that cost drivers the most money. Section 1. The fuel quality lie. Most drivers misunderstand what premium actually means. Premium gasoline has nothing to do with fuel quality. It refers to octane, the fuel's resistance to engine knock. If your owner's manual recommends regular 87 octane fuel, filling up with 91 or 93 octane usually provides little to no benefit. You're simply paying more for a number your engine may not need. What actually helps keep an engine clean is the detergent package blended into the gasoline. Think of it like dish soap. Almost every soap can create bubbles, but the better formulas are designed to break down grease more effectively. Gasoline works in a similar way. The difference is that poor cleaning performance inside an engine can eventually contribute to costly carbon buildup. The story goes back decades. In 1995, the EPA established a minimum detergent requirement for gasoline sold in the United States. While the rule created a baseline standard, many automakers eventually became concerned that the minimum level wasn't sufficient for long-term engine cleanliness. So in 2004, several major automakers, including BMW, General Motors, Honda, and Toyota, helped create a higher standard known as top-tier gasoline. The goal was simple: require stronger detergent packages that help reduce harmful engine deposits. Then came one of the most widely cited fuel quality tests. AAA conducted testing that simulated extended engine operation using different fuel standards. The results were eye-opening. Engines running on top-tier gasoline accumulated approximately 34 milligrams of deposits per intake valve. Engines running on fuel that only met the minimum standard accumulated roughly 660 milligrams. That's about 19 times more buildup. And if you drive a vehicle with a gasoline direct injection engine, which includes many modern vehicles, this matters even more. Direct injection engines spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber instead of over the intake valves. That means there is very little natural cleaning action taking place on those valves. In many cases, the detergent package in your gasoline becomes one of the few defenses against long-term deposit buildup. Section 2. 5 brands charging premium for bare minimum fuel. Number 5. BP and Amoco. This one genuinely surprised me when I started cross-referencing the top-tier certified list for this video. BP spends millions on those green and yellow sunburst logos. Invigorate, printed on every pump handle. Premium pricing at nearly every location. And for years, they were top-tier certified. Then around 2020, both BP and Amoco quietly vanished from the certified fuel list. BP claims their Invigorate additive still meets or exceeds top-tier specifications. But here's the problem. Nobody outside BP is verifying that. No independent audit is. No third-party lab testing. The company that brought us the Deepwater Horizon disaster is now asking you to trust them, and only them, on fuel quality. I've had customers in my shop with carbon-caked valves who filled exclusively at BP stations for years. But I always use premium, they tell me. And I have to explain that the premium sticker on the pump and the Invigorate logo on the handle didn't stop 660 milligrams of carbon from choking their intake valves. Number 4. Sheetz. Over 800 locations across Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, and North Carolina. I'll give them this. The made-to-order food is solid, but the fuel? Sheetz has 0 top-tier certification. Not current, not expired, never. And they charge prices competitive with the Shell station 2 blocks away. Here's what that actually means for your engine. The Shell pump has up to 7 times the EPA minimum detergent in every gallon. The Sheetz pump has the 1995 legal minimum and nothing else. Same price. Same premium label on the button you press. Completely different chemistry going into your combustion chamber. And I'm not pulling this out of thin air. Volkswagen and Audi owner forums across Pennsylvania have active threads, some dating back 5 years, of owners reporting premature carbon buildup on direct injection engines after years of Sheetz fuel. When multiple people with different cars, different driving habits, different mechanics all report the same problem at the same station chain, that's not coincidence. That's a pattern. Number 3. Murphy USA. Over 1,650 locations nationwide. Almost every single one parked in a Walmart parking lot. Founded in 1996, spun off from Murphy Oil in 2013. One of the largest independent fuel retailers in the country. Not top-tier certified. Here's how their business model actually works. Murphy USA locates next to Walmart on purpose. High traffic, low overhead, volume play. Their entire strategy is built on being the cheapest pump in sight. And you know what gets cut when the business model is price first? The additive package. They sell roughly 4.5 billion gallons of fuel per year across their network. That's billions of gallons of bare minimum detergent fuel entering American engines every single year. And most of those drivers have no idea what they're missing until the check engine light comes on. Number 2. Walmart branded fuel pumps. And this is where the irony gets painful. Walmart Plus members, that's their paid membership program, get a fuel discount. But that discount applies at Exxon and Mobil stations. Exxon and Mobil are top-tier certified. So Walmart's own loyalty program literally sends you to better fuel than Walmart's own pumps sell. Let me say that louder for the people in the back. The company that owns the pump where you're saving 3 cents per gallon is paying to send you to a competitor that sells better fuel. That is how little faith Walmart has in its own gasoline. Number 1. Sam's Club, owned by Walmart. Same fuel sourcing strategy. Same bulk buy, price first philosophy. Same bare minimum detergent package. Not top-tier certified. Never has been. And Sam's Club members specifically drive across town, wait in line, swipe their membership card, believing the warehouse club discount guarantees quality. It doesn't. The discount guarantees a discount. That's all. Here's the detail that connects every brand on this list. The base gasoline for nearly every station in your city comes from the exact same oil refinery. Same pipeline. Same bulk fuel terminal. The trucks pull up, fill their tankers with identical base stock, and then, this is the only step that matters, one truck gets an additive injection at the terminal rack, and another truck skips it or gets a bare minimum dose. Same fuel from the same refinery. Different sticker on the pump. Section 3. The 6 brands that earn every penny. Now I'm not leaving you with a problem and no solution. 6 brands invest in real fuel quality across every pump, every grade. Not because the bar is impossibly high, but because quality at this scale requires a choice most companies won't make. Number 1. Costco Kirkland Signature Fuel. Top tier certified since 2014. And this is the one that destroys the entire industry's pricing argument. Costco sells certified fuel, same detergent levels as Shell and Chevron, at 10 to 20 cents less per gallon than the non-certified stations down the street. Same refinery-based stock. Full additive package, lower price. Yes, you need a membership. Yes, the line wraps around the building. But the fuel itself? Costco moves such enormous volume, reportedly among the top fuel retailers by gallons sold per location in North America, that their tanks are constantly being refreshed. You're not getting 6-month-old fuel sitting in a rusty underground tank. Number 2. Shell. Every grade of Shell gasoline carries their nitrogen-enriched cleaning system. But V-Power Nitro Plus, their premium grade, is genuinely in a different league. Shell's own published data claims 7 times the EPA minimum detergent concentration. Their Houston Fuel Research Center has published white papers on intake valve deposit reduction. Shell has been top-tier certified since the program launched in 2004. 22 years of continuous certification. They were one of the founding adopters alongside Chevron. In my shop, I've recommended Shell V-Power to customers with direct injection engines specifically for its cleaning package. And the feedback has been consistent: smoother idle, better throttle response, fewer cold start issues. Number 3. Chevron. Chevron invented polyether amine, PEA, the detergent chemistry that every serious fuel additive on the market now copies. They branded it Techron. It has been in every gallon of Chevron gasoline since 1995. Before top tier existed, before the EPA minimum was even a conversation. Chevron was one of the first 2 brands certified under the top tier program alongside QuikTrip. Their additive concentration runs roughly 3 times the EPA minimum across every octane grade. The car enthusiast forums, BMW, Porsche, Corvette, Subaru, all sing the same song. Chevron fuel is the benchmark. And here's a practical tip I give every customer who's been running on bad fuel. Pick up a bottle of Chevron Techron. Concentrate Plus at any auto parts store. Costs under $15. Pour it into your tank at your next fill-up, ideally at a Chevron station. It's the same PEA chemistry, just concentrated. The cheapest engine insurance you will ever buy. Number 4. Exxon and Mobil. Their Synergy additive package is top-tier, certified across every octane grade. Exxon Mobil operates their own research and engineering facility in Paulsboro, New Jersey, where they test fuel formulations specifically for deposit control and emissions performance. And again, Walmart Plus members get fuel discounts here. If you already have that membership, use it at an Exxon or Mobil station. You'll pay less for fuel that actually protects your engine. Number 5. QuikTrip. Top tier certified since day 1, 2004, alongside Chevron. 2 decades of continuous certification. Their fuel carries roughly 3 times the EPA minimum detergent requirement. QT is consistently rated one of the best-run convenience store chains in the country. Their stations are clean. Their pumps are well-maintained, which matters because a pump with a clogged filter or water in the underground tank can ruin even good fuel. Their turnover is high, so the fuel is always fresh. I've searched automotive forums, Reddit threads, complaint boards. I cannot find a single credible pattern of carbon buildup complaints linked to QuikTrip fuel. Not one. Number 6. Phillips 66, Conoco, and 76. These 3 brands operate under the same parent company and share the same additive package. 3 times the EPA minimum. Top-tier certified. Widely available across the Midwest, Texas, and the West Coast. Phillips 66 has been in the fuel business since 1917. This isn't a startup cutting corners to hit quarterly earnings. They've been doing this for over a century, and their additive investment reflects it. The difference between the avoid list and the buy list is not octane. It's 3 cents per gallon in detergent additives. 3 cents. A single carbon cleaning on a direct injection engine costs $500 to $1,200. I know because I've done them in my shop. Engines at 70,000 miles with valves so caked they could barely breathe, and every owner had been filling up at the cheapest station for years. 3 cents per gallon prevents a $1,200 repair. The math isn't complicated. If your car's been on bad fuel, 1 bottle of Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, under $15. Pour it in before your next fill-up at a top-tier station. Run that tank dry. It's the cheapest engine insurance you'll ever buy. Drop the brand on the avoid list that surprised you most. Your experience could save another driver's engine. Remember, your car doesn't care about marketing. It cares about maintenance. Completely different future for your engine.